Hello, folks. Thank you for joining once more this Telleion MIS tutorials. Today's session will be focused on conducting a promotional exercise, which is moving your students from one grade level to the other, either at the beginning of the term or at the end of the term. So let's get started. Now, step one is to set your academic calendar. You can access the academic calendar through the settings menu and selecting the calendar. Now here you see that this is a previous calendar because at the time of recording this video we are in November. So I'm going to start a new term or a new academic year which is going to start from this November and going straight into the next academic term, which sorry, the next year. So I'm going to create a new calendar which is I'm calling it T1 2023 dash 2024. Now, our year is going to span two, years. Okay, so let's get this to be, let's say 2024, 2023, 2024. Let's make it this way. And okay, okay. So let's make this is our 2024 calendar. The year is for us starting from the 1st of November, and we will extend this till next year, somewhere in, let's say, July, 31st of July. We are going to set this as our current year, and then we'll choose a school, which is the Telleion Academy, and then I'll save this record. Now, once you save the record, you have the opportunity also to divide the term into your various academic terms or academic session. So within this selected record here, I'm going to create a new session, which is my term 1 2023 2024. Let me name it that way. I'll copy this and use the same. And my term is starting from 1st November and we will end the term first term in December, let's say 20th of December. We would select the session type to be a term and the descriptor to be a term 1. We will not set this at the moment because this will set the next when we vacate and we coming back the date. So I will leave this as it is and then select this, set this active to yes. I will set this also to yes. So I can save this record now, which is now under the first term of 2023-2024 academic year, right? So once I've been able to set these two boundaries, which is the academic term, academic calendar year, and then the academic session, which is the term, I'm going to create what we call the advancement. Now, what I'm going to do is try and then move the students from one grade level to the other. At the moment, we have this um, grade levels mapping to the same grade levels. So what I'm going to do is to move this NS1 students to NS2. Okay, so this will be a progressive exercise. So NS1, they will go into NS2. Okay, the NS2 will move into KG1. That's the progression. KG1 will move to KG2. KG2 will move to BS1. Now the BS1 students are going to move to 2. The 2 BS2 will move to BS3, and then BS3 will move to BS4. BS4 would move to BS5, and then BS5 will move to BS6. And then if you have BS6, they would move to JHS1. Okay, fantastic. Now, once you've been able to set a grade advancement, we will also do the same for the session advancement, which is the academic year. So we create a new session advancement. Now, the current term that we were in is the T2 2023. That is the outgoing term. And the incoming term is T1 2023 2024. And then once we've been able to select that, we tell the system to save it. Okay, now at this point, we are set. So the next step is to do your enrollment. So you can access the enrollment from the admissions menu, and then you select the enrollment. Now, all that you need to do is to activate the enrollment process. So what we are expecting is that this T2 is going to change into the new term, and then all these records will be marked like obsolete. So we go into actions, and then we select promote to next grade level. Okay, so we select that, and then we accept. Okay, now let's see what we have now. So you realize that we've got our new enrollment starting from 1st of November, and the session, which is the academic term, is T1 2023. Okay, and then what you see, we have 176 students enrolled. Yeah. What you can see for the previous year enrollment is that we've got these T2 students have been unenrolled from their previous grade levels, and they'll be moved into another grade level. Okay, so that is all that you need to do. Once you've done that, the next video will tell you um, how you can also map the students to their classes. So thank you, and once again, meet you another time. Thank you. Bye for now.